In front of me is an Android 13, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Following that, scroll down again, tap on Vibration and Haptics, and click on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to activate them. If you wish to disable them, tap on the same switcher again. But if you decide to enable them, you can always scroll down and manage all of those options as well. By clicking on this switcher next to Vibrate First, then Ring gradually, you can enable or disable this feature for all your incoming calls. You can also swipe left or right or ring vibration slider in order to adjust intensity. Then scroll down and adjust intensity for notifications, alarm vibration, touch feedback, and even media. When you finished, click on the back button, scroll all the way down and tap on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to enable or disable those two options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!